Okay, so let's add some effect, and I'm going to work with the rocks. So in Vue 10 was nice addition of this all different type of rocks. We can use it. We'll just need to go over and see which one we kind of like it to use for this. And for the forest type, I probably want to look something maybe like rough rocks, and we can try different ones and use it. So let's go ahead. We'll create one, place it maybe around this area. Let's put it down. Okay, we'll go preview. So right here we have a nice placement for the rock. Maybe, add more now rocks. Okay, and when I select, I'm just start clicking, so it will be same type of the rocks. They'll just place them around areas. Okay, and we'll just go ahead, create several of them, and maybe make smaller rock right here. Let's place this as well down. Okay, we can also just create maybe even bigger rock and just put it. Okay, if you don't know, we'll just go up, so I know right here is where cliff, and I just place it slightly in the ground. So right, you can see we start adding some nice rocks around this area. Okay, right here, something we need to add more details. So let's go ahead, create another, place it more. Okay. And it's what just start adding all those details. Okay, and I think kind of done for now with the composition with all these rocks. Okay, I'm going to create a layer. Just go ahead and rename these. Oops. So all rocks. And I'll just go ahead and move them. When we start working with more and more different objects, what's happening? Your maybe video card starts slowing down working, and nice to create in different layer, enable, disable, so we'll speed up our quite a bit work. Okay, let's add some now overhanging trees, and I don't want to see too many leaves right here, but I want them covered. So let's go ahead, we'll create new layer, go trees. Okay, and I'll just start placing there and disable the rocks. And let's go ahead, see what trees we have it. The one which I wanted, it's going tall to the top, so maybe this one will actually work well. Let's put a couple of them and see how well they will work for us. So a little bit, maybe about this high. Okay, we can add it. Let me see. Again, right here. Yeah, just I want to see them, but I don't want them be too tall. And let's decrease diameter on the trunks, so they look a little bit thinner right here. Okay, and I'll just need to move this one down to new layer. Okay, position right here so we can preview. And we can go ahead and just start adding same type of the trees. I'll just go place them maybe around here as well. Okay, as well, let's go ahead and edit this one in. Okay, we have it. In many cases, you can see it's just only trunks will be seen, and we'll start work on the lighting in a second, but this will help us add the mood. If you want it, if you have it some other trees, I do like collection, for example, some with the roots granular. For example, we can use it some with the roots sticking out, so those ones will have it very nice effect. And let's see which one we have it. Like this one tree, we can take it and place maybe some on a back so we can see some roots, but not as many. Okay, and I actually notice it start putting them right in this area. So let me go move my trees to right place. Okay, we have it here, one tree, and this one I'll probably put it a little bit more on the back. Let's rotate it so I can preview roots a little bit better. And let's bring up and just maybe position slightly around this area. Let me preview. Yeah, you can see it's got very nice roots going over. Actually, right here I noticed some rocks. Till I see this, maybe just go ahead, add more rocks right on middle of the water. So it's almost like water need to go through the rocks. Okay. So placed right around this area. Something maybe bigger. Somewhere right here. Okay, let's go preview. So yeah, we have a nice, already kind of start coming up. Okay, and right this area, let's add some trees to far away. We can have it several ones. So let's use this tree to populate on the back right here, far away. So we'll add and this one will be kind of far away in a distant fog, so I don't really kind of worry too much about them, but just place it. Okay, right here. Okay, also the end will be kind of open. To cover this, we can do just create terrain, shrink it down, bringing, and this will be just almost cover for us, backdrop. So with a forest and other ones, it will look more like a distant kind of far away forest right here. Just hold it. I think this one will work just well. Okay, so right here we have our trees. Okay, we'll start work on our adding more of those trees. Then also what I want to see from trees is kind of straight trunks. Right now, if we look, it's look kind of maybe too low. That maybe it will be interesting, but again, I need to create thinner trees going from there. That's what I'm going for. Let's see what we have. We have several different trees. We have it nice with the roots, and those is maybe what we're going to use. We also have it branches and some other ones, but yeah, I think we'll just go work with these ones. So I'm going to create several of them and just place it in a forest all over. Yeah, I like those ones way better. So maybe some right around this area. Let's take a second till it's preloading them. Okay, just create right around here. Okay, let me preview. I want to see how those roots will come up. Yeah, it's a little bit lower. Need to bring higher. Okay, and let's add more right maybe around this area. Here and more trees. Also, some foliage will be help if we put the trees on the back, and let's do this as well. So I'll just go bring this higher right here, and around this area let's add trees, kind of mix up, so it's look like almost forest far around here. Just add a bunch of trees. Okay. You can add a different colors as well, so we can add some maybe a little bit red on the back, but normal I want to keep it this somewhat greenish color, almost like a deep forest, somewhere around there. Okay, also on this hill right here I need to add. Okay, and we'll need to select for this. Let's just select this green tree. Just start placing around this area. Okay, right here. We'll just go place just like that. Okay, and a few more right here. Okay, and we can also just hold down Alt and copy, because again this is just a fillers tree, and we just can copy and just put it in them. Somewhere like that. Let's preview, see what we have so far. Yeah, and it's kind of look nice, forest going. So with the trees right here. Okay, maybe right this area need to be something, add more. So let's go ahead. Right around this area we'll go select another tree and just place it maybe right around here, so we'll have it interesting ways going. Let's go bring up, a little bit down, and something like this maybe. Okay, let me preview. Okay, next let's go ahead add some dead trees on the ground. I think this one I'll go to hide for now. We'll go create new layer and we'll just name this trees. Those ones will be on the ground, just laying. We have a nice collection of some of them, so we'll go ahead from just like almost fresh falling right around this area. Okay, let's go to shrink this down. Okay, move it up and just place it right around here maybe. Okay, again, let me see which direction, probably this way. Maybe one is on a hill around there, and for this one actually I'm going to use a dead tree. So we'll take that one and let's just place it maybe around right here. Okay, let me preview how it will come up. Yeah, maybe a little bit taller. And this one have a nice creation mess. Yeah, some around right here. Let's bring that tree a little bit up. Okay. With some lightings and shadows for this point, maybe want to actually create, just take one tree with a big corner and placing right about this, so we have a nice shadow going over this area. But again, we will work a little bit later with the atmosphere to do this. Right here, and kind of cannot even see this tree, but it will provide some shadow for us. Okay, maybe around here. Okay, let me preview. Yeah, see, it's kind of will create shadow for us. Actually, you know what? Let's delete this. I'll do after. More trees right around that area. Let's go see what we have. We have this is nice walnut winter tree, which can be that tree, but for that one we'll go edit. We'll add it now, make diameter smaller, so almost, let's see, I want to drop it. Yep, go this way, and you know what, maybe place it a little bit kind of like this. Okay, oops. Let's touch slightly right here. Okay, let's preview, see how it's come up. So yeah, we have it some small, maybe bring a little bit up. Okay. Okay, let's leave it too low. And let's go bring up, left click, so it's place it and bring down. So yeah, it's look nice in this right between. And we have it nice kind of going on the water as well. I think we ready now to start painting our ecosystem. And one thing when we start painting it is, first I won't use it just ecosystem. I will use a brush, and we start kind of putting around here. So we'll go, we have our ecosystem. I'll just call painter for this. Okay, we'll need add to these couple things. So let's go ahead, and I'm going inside the grass plants, and I want to actually use it some small one, like small this grass field plants. Okay, we're loading this, and we're going inside the painter. Okay, so let's go ahead and enable paint. A couple of things what I want to do is switch to the brush, and I'm using mouse. I have it Vicom, but when I used Vicom I used touch sensitive enable, but for now. Next I want disable limit to the density. We'll just also, because right now only one, we'll just use this one, and let's put a couple around this area. I want to see how it will come up. If it's come up very nicely green, or how big those will be. So well done, and I'm going to preview. Just want to see if it's size. Actually, it's a very good size for this. Okay, so right now I want just around this tree, maybe around the rocks, placed right here. And for this, we actually, let's enable our rocks so I can see it. And I'm just going right around the rocks. Just painting around this area. Don't need to make too much of them, but just add, and maybe right here on a hill, kind of plants going. Okay, we'll go around there, and right here we have a dead tree, so let's go ahead, put it around that tree plants. Okay, again, let's preview this, see what we have it. Okay, we have a nice cover going. Again, that will be darker. Maybe, you know what, right here, place it some spread around them a little bit more, and after we can add another plants as well. So for this I increase brush, reduce brush flow, and just let's spray a few of them, scale down about halfway. Okay, let's preview one more time. Yeah, you can see it's kind of add nice plants when we spread. So maybe right this here. Okay, it's coming nice. Let's switch and add different type of the plants, maybe right in this as well. Okay, we'll go to, actually right here I want to add more on the back, so we'll have it kind of greenish look. Let me preview. So yeah, right on the back. Okay, again this will be kind of green. Okay, let's go ahead and increase scale and brush flow, so add more right around there. Okay, and mostly just almost like painting and look right here, but I think I will already work. We'll see how it's come up. Probably I maybe need to change this to more greenish look, but with the lighting we see how well this will come up. Let's plant some plants right around this area. Okay, we'll go ahead, click OK. Okay, and we'll start placing some plants around this area. Okay, so I'm going actually stop on this part and we'll continue on our next.